Deadly toxins in human tissue. Now it gets scarier. The human body isn't just meat, it's a potential biohazard. The extremely scientific reason why you should never eat people. Imagine this. You're stranded in the snowy mountains. No food, no rescue. One of your friends is lying frozen beside you. What would you do? This isn't a scene from a horror movie like Alive or Snowpiercer. Today, we explore the chilling question: what happens if you eat a human? And why does science warn against it so strongly? Why does our instinct reject cannibalism? Let's break it down through biology, history, and neuroscience. Nutritional reality of human flesh. Let's treat humans like meat. The human body is about 65% water. The rest, fat, muscle, bones, and organs. A 2017 study calculated the caloric value of a human body. One human thigh muscle contains about 1.8 kilograms of tissue, which equates to roughly 1,300 calories. Sounds like a lot? Not really. Compared to beef or pork, human flesh has lower protein density and less fat. It's insufficient to sustain human survival. Also, organs and soft tissue decay quickly. Without refrigeration, bacteria grow fast, making consumption highly dangerous. Historically, most cannibalistic tribes didn't eat humans for sustenance, but for ritual. Human meat just doesn't store well. Bonus fact, the human brain, while calorically dense, is also the riskiest part to eat due to toxins and pathogens. Protein poisoning and bodily reactions. Human muscle is rich in protein, but eating only protein leads to a condition called protein poisoning or rabbit starvation. Polar explorers and Arctic natives warn about this. When they ate too much lean meat, they experienced kidney overload, nausea, diarrhea, and dizziness. One famous explorer, Vilhjalmur Stefansson, tried a pure protein diet. After just 1 week, his body began to shut down. Modern medicine confirms it. High protein without fat or carbs can cause hepatic encephalopathy, where toxins affect brain function. Our bodies need a mix of nutrients to survive. Human flesh lacks those essential balances. Compared to deer, rabbit, or chicken, human meat is low in vitamins B and E and iron. Deadly toxins in human tissue. Now it gets scarier. The human body isn't just meat, it's a potential biohazard. The brain, spinal cord, and liver contain prions, misfolded proteins that cause deadly neurological diseases. You've heard of mad cow disease? In humans, it's called Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Prions can survive boiling, freezing, even years inside your body. And then there are post-mortem toxins, cadaverine and putrescine. These are foul-smelling, deadly substances produced during decomposition. Ingesting them can cause vomiting, seizures, or death. Plus, human bodies often carry diseases: hepatitis, HIV, parasites. Cooking doesn't kill them all. A study in London even showed that rats exposed to decaying human flesh triggered immune responses from the smell alone. Genetic warnings and immune chaos. Evolution seems to have encoded us with anti-cannibal instincts. Consuming same-species protein increases the risk of autoimmune disorders like lupus and MS. Our bodies begin attacking themselves. Some scientists believe this is a built-in defense. Our genes scream, "Don't eat your own kind." Interestingly, some cannibalistic tribes developed genetic resistance to prions, but only through generations of tragic deaths. So yes, there's evolutionary memory warning us. Eat people, suffer the consequences. Real cases and their consequences. Let's look at real-world examples. Donner Party, 1846. Pioneers trapped in snow. Cannibalism led to lifelong trauma, nightmares, and PTSD. World War II Japanese soldiers. In New Guinea, starving troops consumed fallen comrades. Survivors reported intense psychological breakdowns. Armin Maywes case, 2001. A German man killed and ate a consenting victim. He's in prison, and the world still debates his sanity. 4 Tribe, Papua New Guinea. Ritual cannibalism to honor the dead spread a terrifying disease. Kuru. Kuru causes tremors, neurological failure, and death. It's caused by prions from eating infected human brains. The scariest part? It can take 10 to 15 years to show symptoms. Cultural curiosities. Here's something wild. The word carnival might have roots in cannibalism. The common explanation is the Latin carnevale, farewell to meat, referring to Lent. But some researchers believe it echoes older rituals, ancient festivals that followed human sacrifice. Imagine it. After the feast, the celebration begins. Goodbye meat or goodbye human meat? Psychological fallout. Cannibalism scars the mind as much as the body. Survivors often suffer from guilt-induced psychosis, flashbacks, or lifelong social alienation. A famous example is the Andes plane crash survivors, 1972. Though they lived, many couldn't speak about it for decades. Psychologists call it cognitive dissonance trauma, when moral boundaries are shattered for survival. Eating human flesh may ensure short-term survival, but it often ruins mental health permanently. Outro. Let's wrap it up. Yes, people have eaten people, out of desperation, ritual, or psychosis. But science is clear. It's dangerous, deadly, and psychologically devastating. From deadly prions to evolutionary immunity breakdowns, your body knows it's wrong. So next time you watch a movie with cannibals, remember, it's not just horror fiction. It's biology's biggest red flag. And now you know the extremely scientific reason you should never eat people. Want more strange science like this? Subscribe, like, and stay hungry for knowledge, not people.